Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Christina here, and today I'm doing my everyday makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Make sure you continue to watch, subscribe, and comment below for more ideas for my videos, and I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned. Bye. So first things first, we are going to do our brows. So we're going to be using Anastasia brow wigs in dark brown to do our brows. And if you guys see me looking over here, that's just where my mirror is, where I'm doing my makeup. So I hope that, doesn't bother you. But let's get these brows done. Eyebrows are complete. So I have really thin eyebrows too, so it's going to take me a while to do my eyebrows. But anyways, guys, so we are about to move on to prepping the skin. So I'm excited to prep the skin because it's one of my favorite things to do when I do my makeup. So what we're going to do is we are going to use my favorite primer right now, which is the Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. Sorry. So my skin, guys, let me tell you about my skin. So my skin has been actually really bad lately. I don't know what's causing it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's just like, it's just breaking out crazy. And as you can tell, I get red really, really quick. And my problem areas are my cheeks, which have been my problem areas for a couple of years. But my skin was so clear for like months. My skin is acting crazy, as you can see. Like, I don't know. I don't like it. It just look like, it don't look as good as it did. But anyways, I use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which I love this stuff. I love that stuff so much. It's like sticky, like your makeup not gonna go nowhere. My makeup does not move. So I'm gonna put that on the outside, kind of on top of where I put the hydrating primer. But oh, can you hear the stick? Sticky. All right. So we are ready and we are primed to do our foundation. I'm gonna use my handy dandy favorite foundation for like last year. This is Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it is in the shade Chestnut. I really love this foundation. I almost feel like I use it like it's the only foundation I use. I got other foundations, and this is the one I always pick up. We're gonna be using my Morphe brush, my foundation brush. This is the Morphe M439 brush, and I love it. I just pump it on top of my brush. Let's just get right into the foundation. Perfect. So we got the foundation all nice and on. I don't like putting like a whole pump of foundation or like barely any foundation on my forehead. I like to kind of leave my forehead just for my concealer and my bronzer. My favorite part of makeup is doing concealer and bronzer. My number one favorite concealer right now, let me tell y'all, is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. Like, this concealer is bomb, okay? Let me tell you. So this 16-hour Camo concealer is really good. It's like $6. But what I've been doing lately is just dragging the concealer up because I have a really round face, so I be wanting more of a chiseled look. It's some on the side of my nose. That's just what I do. And then put some on my chin. And then on my forehead. And then around my mouth because I just love concealer. See how it just gives me that, just like slims my face out. I love that. I'm actually not gonna do no eyeshadow on my lid because y'all, honestly, this is an everyday makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna do what I do if I wear my makeup. Like, I don't wear makeup every day, but if I was to wear makeup, this would be the quick thing that I do, my go-to look. So I don't do no eyeshadow on my eyelids. I just like leave it like that, because when I do a really bright under eye, it's already gonna make it look like, you know, the darkness on my eyelids gonna look like an eyeshadow, but really natural. So when you have concealer in your eye, so I don't really add it a lot. I just make sure my concealer is just really popping, because it actually bring out the eyelid color more. So I guess embrace the darkness. Embrace the darkness on your eyelid, because it can actually look like eyeshadow. Another favorite product of mine, y'all, is the Mercier translucent powder. Like, I just cannot get away from it. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Small taper brush, looks like this, and I am going to pick up my translucent powder and shake it off a little bit and put it directly under my eye. So guys, I know quarantine is, you know, crazy still, but you know, I'm happy everything is slowly opening back up, because it's the summertime. I love the summertime. Like, I'm a summer baby too. I'm born in August, so I love the heat. I love it. I hate the cold. Like, I hate the cold. Like, it just, I know a lot of people say that, but man, like, y'all don't understand. I absolutely do not like the cold weather. That's why I say I need to live somewhere really warm, so it can always be hot outside. We're gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So this is the hydrating version Camo Concealer, and this is in the color Rich Chocolate. So I just use this MAC 161 SES brush. It looks like this. We are going to use the Morphe Glam Bronzer and Leader. Now we're gonna use the Fenty bronzer and Cocoa Naughty. Use this e.l.f. this Wet n Wild contour brush, and just contour just a little bit. Late at night. All right. Yep. We getting there, y'all. We getting there. We're gonna use the Mercier powder and just carve my cheeks out. Alright, so now we are going to use my face powder, my Morphe face powder, and just put it all over my face. Love it. So now we are going to use my favorite blush. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Mellow Wine. I've had it forever, y'all. We're going to use this Wet n Wild brush. Like I said, it don't even have no label on it. A little goes a long way with this. So, we're going to be careful. I'm loving that, y'all. Are you loving it? I'm loving it. And what's crazy is that I used to didn't like blush. I'm like, you know, I'm black. Why I need to wear blush? But y'all, the blush look real good on us. Just saying. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just spray with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And y'all, that's why I love getting lash extension, because I just like to wake up and be ready. Like, just wake up and go and be ready, and like it really helps me do that. So we are going to do a little bit of highlight. This highlighter is broken, like it's all over the place, but this is my favorite highlighter. This is the Becca Champagne Pop. Love this stuff, but it's all broken and stuff. And y'all, I get the travel size, and it's been lasting me for so long. The little mini size, I've had this for a long time, but look, it's all broken and stuff. Can you see? All broken, but it's okay. We're gonna be careful. What are your guys' plans when this quarantine is over with? Because mine is actually a trip, for real, to Florida, and then a trip to Mexico. We looking cute. Now we just have to do our lips, which I feel like brings the whole look together, to my opinion. And my go-to lip is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade, I don't know, Cold Brew. This is in the shade Cold Brew. Sometimes I leave my lip like this and it just looks really, really cute. Just like this, just that little really pouty look. Then this is the Morphe lip gloss in Firebird. Bomb. Amazing lip gloss, y'all. Alright guys, so this concludes the look today. I am loving this look, guys. And like I said, this is so quick. The products used are amazing products. So what I can do is I can put all the products I use in the description box below. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Just make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.